organizing the mocha. So good morning friends, welcome back to my channel Nepali cooking. And today the weather is very gloomy. See right behind me, it's very cloudy, and I will not be able to cook cook outside normally where I do. The place right behind me, I'll show you guys, because it's raining again and again, so it'll be very difficult. So I'll have to cook it indoors, and I'll show you. It's a very simple recipe. Today I'm going to cook dried shrimp and try to make it look as if it is fresh, not the dried ones. So let's get started. Take this tomato from our garden. These are fresh tomatoes I'll be using for today's recipe. This is what I have for today. Onions, garlic and ginger, a little bit of dali, and I plucked this tomato right now. It's raw, but still it's okay. See, these are shrimps, dried shrimps. I've already separated its head from its body because there's a lot of sand in the head portion, and normally it's not recommended to eat, but sometimes they do. Some people fry and eat it. I'll be cooking a very small portion, this much only, because today I'm alone. All right, this is the view from here. And I'll be using this kerosene stove. First, what we should do is, first we'll wash this shrimps 2 to 3 times and soak it for 5 minutes, so that the sand gets sedimented or gets separated from the dried shrimps, as sand and extra salt. And after soaking for three times, once the sand gets separated from the shrimp, then we will soak for another hour, so that it looks fresh as it has just been fished out from the sea or from the... Okay, so first let me put some water. Okay, I'll wash this. Let me drain this. Okay, one more time. Okay. So now I will soak it for 5 minutes, and I'll repeat this process for 3 times. And after repeating the process for 3 times, I will be soaking finally for almost an hour. Okay, so this process will get repeated 3 times. While the shrimps is getting soaked, it will take an hour. So yes, so recently I have just started advertising myself for photography workshop on Facebook page, not Facebook, on my personal Facebook account. So if I have a group of 10 people, I will be conducting workshop at any given place, like anywhere in Sikkim, Kalimpong, Darjeeling, Siliguri, nearby. All right, and some guys, some of the friends had DM'd me asking what is the facility that you have to conduct workshop, from what level to... See, I conduct from beginner to advanced level. So I will show you my small home studio where I operate. All right, let's take a tour of my home studio. Okay, this is my home studio. There is no power. This power is working on inverter. All right, so this is the background screen that I have. These are Godox SL60 watt light, one pair. These are backgrounds. This background is in 3 layers. One is white, one is black and green. I also have other gray and black here. This is my N-Bond 50 liters dry cabinet. There is no power, so I've just disconnected because I'm in the process of shifting it. I've not settled completely. All right, and these are soft boxes, Octa 32-inch soft box. This is where I operate from. This is my workstation. This is my computer where I do post-production work. This is my mini sound system. This is Canon kit 55-50 lens, wide angle 24mm prime lens, 85-55 kit lens. This is Sennheiser MK600 microphone. It is normally used in shooting documentaries. This is my Canon camera, 50mm lens already mounted here. This is a Godox trigger. This is Nikon camera. This is not actually my camera, it's my sister's camera, and this Nikon set is hers, but I do use it very frequently. Alright, this is a Sekonic light meter 308 light meter. This is my gimbal. This is my Godox 8200 speed light. This is Yongnuo 600EX speed light. This is a Zoom H5 recorder plus it can be used as a speaker as well. And so this is my small Procus action camera. I do underwater shooting with this. It's in a waterproof case and duty tripod. This is LED light, normally used in music video, interviews, any kind of audio visual related product. I can do a studio shoot here. I also can teach here, but the space looks a little bit tiny, so I would prefer a larger space. All these gadgets and equipments are all portable. It can be transported anywhere. All right, so an hour now. Okay, can you see these shrimp's eggs here? These are eggs. Doesn't it look like a fresh shrimp now? See, does it look like it was dried? I don't think so. What do you guys think? Put it in the comments below. So I think these dust particles are not the sand now. These are eggs. All right. So I'll drain this out now. Let's go to the cutting table. Prawn is very little. It's just for me. So I'm just looking to show you the process of how it's made, because today I'm alone, and this is one onion. I'll be using only half of it, and one dali chili, and this is tomato that I showed you previously, ginger, garlic, and the mustard oil, and basic few spices. I'm not sure if I'm going to use it, but I'll tell you when I actually start cooking. This is the regulator. Okay, yes, it is. Yes, anti-clockwise the flame goes high, clockwise flame reduces. I don't know if I will be able to control the fire. Anyways, I'm putting this iron karai here. I'm finding it very difficult to operate this stove more than cooking this food. So let me add a little bit of oil. This is mustard oil. It looks the oil gets here. I'll just... This is very scary. Very scary, because I don't have the control over the fire, because like I told you, I'm not used to cooking on this stove. Okay, it looks almost done. So I'm going to take this out and keep it in a split. I think I'm not going to cook on this stove anymore. It's kind of high risk. So on this heated oil, I'll add some onions. Some onions. Control about the fire, and the regulator is not working as I have desired, and it looks a little bit roasted, but what it looks more roasted than what I would actually prefer. Anyways, I'm going to quickly click on this because I'm getting that vibe. This is going to get screwed up today if I'm not very precise. Okay, let me add this chili, and I'm going to add a little bit of. I'm not going to add actually any spices to it. Just add salt. See, guys, these dried shrimps are from salt water and from the sea. They are always salty, so don't add much of salt if you're not a fan of it. Okay, I'm adding this prawns. Not prawns, sorry, shrimp. Just ginger, garlic, onion and tomato. No spices, just salt. As expected, this is burnt a little bit because I'm cooking on this kerosene stuff. I think it's done. Okay, so let me try this onion, sorry, potato gravy. It's not as bad as I thought. Amazing. I think today's hard work got paid off.